Hi everyone. I'm really happy to be speaking with all of you. I thought I'll keep in touch with you guys through videos. You'll be seeing more videos of me in the next few weeks. So today I have a couple of things to share with you or announcements. So today was the last day to complete the signings for our A Division campaign, and we have done it. And Taha and Ashrat have been really helpful in getting all the paperwork done. Keep in constant touch with the players and things like that. So the final squad of 25 is complete, and I think we'll be sharing the list. I think tomorrow or day after on our social handles. We have an exciting mix of youth and experience. I'm looking forward for that. And the second announcement is we have hired a new coach. We have hired Vivek Ishwaran. I think most of you would popularly know him as Kulu. And joining Vivek is another young talented coach. His name is Sharadindo Jana, and he's also popularly called as Jana. The first name is a little tough to pronounce. So to speak a little bit about these guys, the new guys who have been the new coaches who are joining us. Vivek has had a very interesting experience in football. So like every other Indian kid, he first completed his engineering and then he decided what to do, and he kind of figured out that football was his passion and direction. So after his engineering in 2014, that's when he completed in CMRIT. Vivek moved to Pune, where he completed his masters in football administration, and this was a couple of years he was there in Pune. And post that he joined the I-League club Pune FC. So at Pune FC he was looking after more of the match day operations and looking after their soccer schools program and things like that. He was there for a couple of years with Pune, and post Pune he started his own grassroots football academy called Football 101, and he was with Football 101 for 3 years in Pune. So basically, Football 101 had tied up with 4 to 5 schools, and they were giving their football education there in these schools. Parallelly, during this time, during these 3 years in Pune, Vivek also volunteered as a football coach for Just for Kicks NGO organization. So JFK is pretty popular. Most of our ex-players are also working there as coaches. Vikram Nugehalli was working there in Pune as a football coach with JFK. Even Shashi is currently still working in Bangalore as a football coach with JFK. So JFK is again an interesting program which again deals with grassroots football program for government schools. So Vivek was doing that in Pune. And during this time, Vivek completed his badges. He did his D license, if I'm not wrong, in 2015 or 2014, I guess. And after he completed his AIFFD license, he also did an AFCC license. AFCC license is a little tougher one to get because the passing percentage of a particular group which undergoes an AFCC license is around 60 to 70%. D license is a little bit higher, around 90% of the batch passes, and C license is a little tough. So Vivek has done both C and D. And post that, Vivek came back to Bangalore after his time with after a stint in Pune. So in Bangalore, he decided that he wants to study again, and he went all the way to Barcelona, where he did his masters in high performance football management. And this is a very interesting role which he has done, getting exposed to European football. He interned at a club in Barcelona called Villanova FC for 6 months, where he worked with the first team coach to kind of set up schedules, modules, and also run day-to-day drills during the coaching program and things like that. And he got a lot of experience and exposure to the European football. Post that, Vivek came back to Bangalore again, and currently he is working with this grassroots academy called as Raman Sports Academy, and he's been involved with that these days. So we are really happy that Vivek kind of picked up this role of head coach with our A Division team, and I am really excited that I think he's going to add a lot of value on the technical side of football for our club. And yeah, Vivek, welcome to the club. So speaking about the person who's going to join Vivek, another young talented coach, Sharadindo Jana, right? So Jana has also had a very interesting football career. So he started out dabbling with football by starting a company called Mean Machines in 2014. It was some kind of a football academy, and post Mean Machines, he went and did his AIFFD license. He did his badge, and after doing his badge, he joined this pretty well-known club in Bangalore called Rebels FC. They are currently playing their trade in the B division. So Rebels FC is like an I-League project. It is a fully funded club which has external investors and things like that. So Jana was working with foreign coaches to help the first team to set up their modules, schedules and drills and things like that. So Jana was there for quite some time with Rebels, and post Rebels he moved to grassroots football. From first team football he moved to grassroots football, and he was working with Barcelona Academy in Bangalore. So Barcelona had set up an academy in North Bangalore, and he was heading that particular project there. So he was the head coach of the Barca Academy in North Bangalore, and he did a lot of grassroots football development there. And post that, currently Jana is kind of involved in his own venture called After Hours training program. It is based out of JP Nagar. It's a very interesting program and concept, something more of a more refined version of what we see in cult football. So what After Us does is it is open for all, and it has 90-minute sessions where 60 minutes is you train with the ball and without the ball and things like that. There are some drills, and post that it's a 30-minute game. So it's a very interesting, fun 90 ways to spend your time. So I have been taking up those classes as well. Very recently I've kind of enjoyed. So yeah, so we were really happy to kind of have a conversation with Jana and get him on board. And we're really happy to have both Jana and Vivek. And welcome, guys. I mean, I hope all of you guys come together to welcome Vivek and Jana to our family. And I'm looking forward for a very exciting season.